Well, we are coming to the end of another day. Where this is just a placeholder here. I'm definitely going to avoid putting a union inside the enclosure. This is just seeing where this comes out, or the gas there. That's just a temporary cap there. And nice thing about this boiler is at least it's got a nice space for all the tools. Big fun for the day was putting in this Equalizer Line, 3x2 Vietnamese pipe. That's the Harford loop tie-in, and I have not tied in to the wet return yet. Now they use extra heavy pipe, so this wet return is pretty good. A little rusty on the inside, but mainly wet returns fail from being rusted from the outside, although not always. But this one's a little too long, so I'm gonna shorten it up and put the drain down there on that T in the approximate location there. Put a bushing and come up with 1 inch and into the equalizer line. This is just a placeholder for where I'm going to tie in the water. And I said the VXT is going to go here. I've got this speed skimmer set up, brass nipple, because hey, why not? Clear through plug here, a male by female drain valve, and a customer supplied bucket. So this is where the boiler drain is going to go. Now the boiler drain that they supply with this is this joke. It's basically a 1/2 inch drain with a 3/4 inch bushing on the end. So we're going to get a proper 3/4 inch, well, at least it's 3/4 inch on the outside. The hole is definitely bigger for better, faster drainage. One of the things I noticed, which is rather peeving, is this field control is marked as a slant fin part. So they've basically taken something which is pretty fungible and made it into an OEM, which is rather a nuisance. That's what they mark here, that it's got to be replaced with a vent damper, and all other dampers and devices are not permitted, which is, I'm not happy about that, but well, too late now, isn't it? So other comments are that this boiler looks a little bit big for one outlet, and I might be inclined to agree with you, but there is no other outlet on this, so this is factory approved. The other thing I wanted to assure other comments were that CO detector there is definitely not enough, and the customer assures me that he has other CO detectors. strategically located, and they're going to be getting more, most certainly. So we can all rest easy about that. Just for fun, I hooked up the old VXT. It's the first time I've ever seen it powered up. I kind of hot wired it to see, and I think some of you may know the flashing is a bad sign, but that was totally expected. That means it is fed at least 999 times, and so that's probably the equivalent of about 1,600 plus gallons that was used since the last time this was reset. The date code is obscure, but I think we puzzled it out at about 2008. We don't know. So I think it was a later edition. The customer had taken a picture of it. That was a shot of the original install. Let's see if I get one over here. He's got one over here. That was what was there before. So, again, I want to thank you all for your concern and your comments and questions. And tomorrow we should be able to at least maybe hotwire this thing to get some heat in this building. We had a bit of snow today, but we were able to stick around. It actually kind of melted. Kind of an interesting that the capital city of the mightiest nations on the face of the planet can be shut down with 2 inches of snow. So I'll leave you with that chuckle, and signing off, and stay safe, folks.